Hey everyone, how are you doing today? For today's fun video, I want to show you how to draw a Luca Surprise Fold. Now I think this video turned out pretty good and I can't wait to see what you guys think. So if you like this video, definitely leave me a comment. And if you really like it and you have not subscribed yet, then definitely subscribe so you can tune into all of the awesome videos that we make. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Luca Surprise Fold, we're going to start by folding our paper. So the first thing we want to do is take our paper and fold it in half. So just line up the corners and we're just going to fold it like we are making a birthday card. So give it a nice fold down here. Then you have a good birthday card shape. Now the next thing we want to do is fold this front flap down to here. So we're just going to take this, we're going to fold it right down and line up those corners. Once you have those corners lined up, then go ahead and just press this down. So you have a nice little crease in there. This way it can open up. And we're actually going to be opening this up sideways like this. So I'm going to be opening it this way. Now to start off with our Luca Surprise Fold, we're going to be drawing the face first. So I'm going to begin by starting right here and we want to make a nice big U shape. So we'll start here. We're just going to draw a nice line that's just going to go down. It's going to come across and up like this, like a big U. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it up a little bit. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to bring it in, kind of like we're heading towards that fold. Next, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to come across here. Then we're just going to curve this up for the little curl on his hair. We'll connect that. Now starting here, I want to make his ears. So we'll draw a little line that's just going to go out. It's going to curve around and come back. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down, we're going to curve around and come back up. Now for Luca's hair, we're just going to make it kind of like wavy and stuff. So we'll start right here on the ear, and I'll begin by making a line that's just going to go up and in. We'll make a little line that's just going to come up a little bit to a point and then in. I'll make another little line that's just going to go up and down. Then we'll add a nice big curve line that's just going to come right across here and down. I'll make a little line that's just going to go out to like a point and then come down. Then we'll make a little line that's just going to go out and in, and one more that comes down to the top of the ear. Now, starting down here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down to a little bit of a point right at the fold, and then we're going to bring this line up to here for the neck. Right here at this point, let's draw a little line that comes up on each side. Then we'll make a little line that comes down on each side. Almost kind of looks like a letter M. Next, we'll bring this up on each side for the collar of a shirt. Then let's draw it up here towards his neck at a nice angle. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes out and down. And over here, we'll do the same thing. We're going to go out and down for his shoulders. Now, starting in here, we want to make his face. So to draw his face, we're going to start with his eyes. He's got pretty big eyes. So we'll begin by making a nice big circle shape right here for one eye. We'll leave some space and we'll make another nice big circle shape for another eye. I'll draw another good sized circle right inside of here, and we'll put one more over here as well. Then I'm going to put a little black circle in here for his pupil and another one here. And I'm going to color most of this pupil in, and I'll just leave a little bit white. So we'll color most of this in and then just leave a little bit white. Now right here in between the eyes, we're going to make his nose. So we'll just start here and we'll draw a little kind of like oval shape that just goes around and then comes back up. Right across here we'll make his smile. So we'll just make a little line that comes across and a smile. Then we'll draw a line that's just going to come down and it's going to come back up here. We'll make his teeth. We'll just make some kind of curved lines right here for his teeth. And we'll make a little line across for his tongue. The last thing we want to do is draw his eyebrows. So let's draw a little line that's going to come up. And we'll draw another one over here. We'll make a line that goes up and it's going to come down. We'll draw a line that goes up and it's going to come down. So here is our basic drawing of Luca. Now, when we open it up, we've got two different sides of him. So what we want to do next is inside of here, we want to draw his little sea creature face. So to start off with the sea creature, we're going to try to make it about the same size as his face here. So let's begin by drawing right here. We're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve over and it's going to come up here. Now on the sides here, we want to make his ears. So to start off with his ears, we're just going to draw a little line that's just going to go out and it's going to come back. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a little line that's going to go out and then it's going to come back. We'll make another one up here and one below it. We'll do the same thing over here. We'll draw a little line below this one and then one above it. Then in between these, let's add a little curved line just to connect each one. So just draw a little line to connect each one with a curve. Now, starting right up here at the top, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around and it's going to come down. Now, his hair is going to be a little bit different because his hair is actually kind of made up of scales. So I'm going to start here and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to go out and then it's going to come in. We do the same thing here. We're going to go out and come in. I'm just going to continue to add some of these little kind of curvy scale shapes all along here. And we're just going to kind of keep adding these up here. So we'll add a few more on each side. Then we're just going to add a couple bigger ones right up here on top. And they can be kind of go behind these as well. I'm going to put a couple more in between some of these as well, just to make it look like his hair is getting a little bit taller on top here. And you can put some small ones in between there as well. Now, starting down here, I want to draw his neck. So to draw his neck, we'll just draw a little line that comes down and another little line that comes down. Then we'll draw a little line that goes out and then comes down. And same thing here, we're going to go out and then we're going to come down. And I'll draw two little lines for his arms. Now up here we want to make his face. So just like on the person face, he's got some pretty big eyes. So we'll begin right here and we'll make a nice big circle shape for an eye. We'll leave some space and I'll make another big circle shape over here for the other eye. Inside of here, I'm going to add a big circle shape here. And we'll make another big circle shape over here. For the pupil, I'm going to add kind of like a pointed oval shape. So we're just going to go down to a point and then we're going to come up. And I'm going to just color this part in really quickly. Now, starting here for his nose, I'm just going to draw a little sad face for his nose. Then I'm just going to color in 2 little black dots for his nostrils. For his mouth, we're going to make a little smiley face shape. Then we're just going to curve this down, and it's going to come around here. Then we're going to add his teeth in here. We're just going to make some lines that just go down and then up for his teeth. And we'll draw a little line right across the bottom for his tongue. Up here we're going to make his eyebrows, so we're going to make a line that's going to come up here and a line that's going to come up here. We'll draw a line that goes up and it's going to come down. And another one here, it's going to go up and it's going to come down. Then the last thing on his hair, you can just add a couple little quick lines onto some of these scales just to give them a little bit of detail. Put some over here too as well, right around there. And there you go, there is your drawing of your Luca Surprise Fold. So when you close it up, you have Luca as the little boy, and then as soon as you open it up, you have the little sea monster that he turns into. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.